Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and I'm back again to talk about a pick from vpicks.com. This month I'm looking at the Red Rocker. Yeah. So I'm quite enjoying this pick, to be honest. As many of you know, I've been a medium pointed player for a very, very long time, and this is obviously a more traditional pick shape. Medium pointed being one of these big triangle beasts. So yeah, the Red Rocker, 1.5mm thick, and comes to a nice fine point at the end, bevels in like that. Again, as usual, very difficult to see that on camera, but yeah, it comes to a nice sharp point. So you have all of the thickness and stiffness of that thicker pick, but without sacrificing the sharp attack that you'll get from a finer, thinner beveled edge. So there's no bend in the pick, and of course I always say this, that's really important to me. I don't like my picks to bend when I'm playing. When I put energy into a string, I want that energy to be transferred into the string. I know that sounds very hippie, but yeah, that's kind of how I think about it. I want that level of control. I always describe it to my students as, imagine trying to write on a piece of paper with a pen, because apparently some people still do that, using a pen made out of rubber. It would be very difficult to write accurately and really control what you want to be able to do and write. So yeah, the Red Rocker, very cool pick, very, very cool pick. And the reason we're talking about this one is because it's on sale on VPIC's site this month. So yeah, I've been using it all month and really getting a feel for how this one sounds. As you can see from the spinning one, it gives you a better idea of the shape, of course. So as with most VPICs, I say most, I really mean all, you get that typical, I'm not entirely sure what the material is. It's some sort of blend of acrylic, and this one is their ruby red acrylic. Really sharp, crisp attack. Some people say that maybe a bit too much high end on the attack. I never feel like that, being so rooted in the country background. I like that sharp, high-end, crisp, almost ice-picky attack. Yeah, I think this is a great pick for playing some rock guitar. So what I'm going to do for you today, as you will have seen in the intro, I played a little bit of Leonard Skinner's Sweet Home Alabama, and this is in tribute to Ed King, who recently passed away. Ed King was another VPICS player. He has his own signature pick, but unfortunately I don't have one of those in the house, so I was unable to use one of Ed King's signature picks. Yeah, Ed King, of course, a great guitar player with Skinner. So in tribute to Ed, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the Red Rocker, and I'm going to improvise, play, jam just over the ending section of Sweet Home Alabama, and yeah, give you a feel for what this pick can do. Ultimately, I always say this, I say this in all these VPICS videos, there's no perfect pick, there's no best pick, there's the pick that feels right and works right for you. It's a tool, and we just use it to express ourselves. So this might be the right thickness for you, this might be the right shape for you, you might get the right sort of attack out of this pick. I didn't mention this earlier, I love the being able to turn this pick round and have both the pointed end to use, but also turn it around and have that rounded edge to use, which will give you more of a kind of, I was going to say Brian May, but let's go more kind of Robin Ford tone. Anyway, let me cut in that clip and you can see what this pick is all about. Sounds like this. So there you have it, the VPix Red Rocker. Super cool pick, and I urge you to head on over to vpix.com, link in the description, and check it out while it's still on sale. Excellent pick, and yeah, you're probably going to enjoy it. Check out a few more of their picks while you're there, because of course I want to say a huge thank you to those guys for supporting the channel. Thank you very much, Vinny. Played VPix for a very long time, don't intend to stop anytime soon, so much love, my friend. And finally, I just want to say a huge thank you to these people over here. These are some of my supporters over on patreon.com. Again, they keep this channel going, keep it moving forward, keep me getting off my ass to make videos for you excellent people, and I really do hope you guys are enjoying them. So if you would like to be like those people up there, you can check us out over on Patreon by clicking this button up here. You can subscribe by clicking this button down here, and you'll see 2 more of my videos here and here. One of them will probably be another VPix video, so check that out. I'm not going to say the best picks, but they make my favourite picks. I absolutely love them. So yeah, thanks again, guys, and I will see you for another video soon. Bye.